Hi viewers, and welcome back to Health For You. When stocking your spice rack, you probably think first about the basics. Garlic powder, cayenne pepper for that fiery kick, turmeric for its golden anti-inflammatory lattes, and of course salt and black pepper, the classics that no kitchen is complete without. But today, let's shine the spotlight on another humble yet powerful spice that deserves a permanent spot in your pantry: cloves. These small, aromatic flower buds come from a tropical evergreen tree native to Indonesia. They've been cherished for centuries, not only for their warm, slightly sweet flavor, but also for their incredible healing properties. From Indian and Thai curries to mulled wines in Europe, cloves have played an important role in global cuisines. Beyond flavor, they have also been used in traditional medicine across Asia and the Middle East, thanks to their powerful natural compounds. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the science-backed health benefits of cloves. From reducing inflammation, improving digestion and boosting hair health, to relieving toothaches, fighting infections, and regulating blood sugar, this little spice has a big story to tell. Stay with us until the end, because you'll also learn how to add cloves to your diet the right way, and the best tips to store them for freshness. 1. Richest source of antioxidants. When you think of antioxidants, you probably imagine blueberries, dark chocolate, or maybe a glass of red wine. But here's a surprising fact. Herbs and spices actually outshine most fruits and vegetables when it comes to antioxidant power. In fact, researchers ranked the top 100 richest sources of polyphenols and antioxidants. And guess what came out on top? Not blueberries, not kale. It was cloves, with more than 30 times the antioxidant concentration of blueberries. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting off free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. Left unchecked, free radicals can contribute to chronic diseases, neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's, and even cancer. Studies show that clove extract not only slows tumor growth, but also promotes the death of harmful cells. By incorporating cloves into your diet, you're essentially giving your body one of the strongest natural shields against cellular damage. So, the next time you sip your green tea or snack on dark chocolate, remember, cloves pack an even greater punch. 2. Reduces inflammation. One of the most powerful compounds in cloves is eugenol, a natural chemical that works as a strong anti-inflammatory agent. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, gum inflammation, or even a sore throat, eugenol may help soothe your discomfort. Clove essential oil, which is widely available, has been proven to reduce inflammation in the mouth and throat. A clinical study even found that clove oil reduced plaque and eased gingivitis. For arthritis sufferers, eugenol has been shown to lower pro-inflammatory cytokines, proteins that trigger pain and swelling in joints. 3. Natural protector against food poisoning. Foodborne illness is something none of us want to experience. Luckily, cloves may come to the rescue here as well. Eugenol doesn't just reduce inflammation, it also has antimicrobial powers. Studies show that clove oil has stronger antibacterial activity than common preservatives like sodium benzoate or potassium sorbate. It can fight bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria, all of which are well-known causes of food poisoning. 4. Helps prevent stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers, also known as peptic ulcers, are painful sores that develop in the lining of the stomach or esophagus. Research suggests that compounds in cloves can help prevent and even treat these ulcers. Clove essential oil has been found to increase the production of gastric mucus. This mucus acts like a natural protective barrier, preventing stomach acids from eroding the stomach lining. 5. Boosts hair health. Want stronger, shinier, and healthier hair? Clove bud oil has been used for centuries as a remedy for scalp and hair care. Thanks to its antifungal, antiseptic, and anesthetic properties, clove oil can treat dandruff, scalp irritation, and even hair loss. When mixed with olive oil or coconut oil and massaged into the scalp, it helps improve blood circulation, stimulating fresh hair growth. The antioxidants in cloves also keep hair follicles healthy, while eugenol helps refresh and enhance your hair's natural color and shine. That's why you'll often find clove oil as an ingredient in shampoos, conditioners, and even hair dyes. A simple scalp massage with diluted clove oil may be the natural boost your hair has been waiting for. 6. Supports oral health. Cloves have long been a go-to remedy for toothaches and oral hygiene. A traditional remedy is to place a whole clove in your mouth, Moisten it with saliva and gently chew on it. The oil release numbs pain and fights bacteria. Modern studies confirm this. Clove oil has analgesic effects, making it an effective pain reliever for toothaches. It can also combat bad breath and oral bacteria, which is why clove oil is found in many natural toothpastes and mouthwashes. 7. Relieves headaches. Another amazing use for cloves is headache relief. Thanks again to eugenol, clove oil has pain-relieving and cooling properties. For topical relief, mix a couple of drops of clove oil with coconut oil and gently massage it onto your temples and forehead. This natural method has been used for centuries to calm tension headaches and stress-related pain. 8. Helps regulate blood sugar. One of the most fascinating benefits of cloves is their ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes or prediabetes, this is especially important. Research shows that polyphenols in clove extract regulate glucose in 3 powerful ways. They improve the absorption of glucose in the digestive tract. They reduce the production of glucose in the liver. They slow down digestive enzymes that break carbohydrates into glucose. This triple effect means cloves can reduce spikes in blood sugar after meals, lower fasting glucose levels, and help the body use sugar more effectively. That's why many experts recommend including cloves in a diabetes-friendly diet. 9. Protects liver health. Your liver is your body's natural detox center, filtering toxins and breaking down fats. Studies have shown that clove extract can protect liver cells from inflammation and oxidative stress. Animal studies even suggest that cloves can reverse signs of liver cirrhosis and reduce the liver damage caused by alcohol. However, it's important to note that while cloves are beneficial in moderate amounts, excessive consumption may actually harm the liver. Balance is key here. 10. Enhances respiratory health. If you suffer from asthma, cough, or frequent colds, cloves may help. Clove oil soothes the respiratory tract, reduces inflammation, and prevents bacteria from forming colonies in the lungs. Some people use clove oil chest massages or inhale clove steam to ease congestion. Drinking clove tea or simply chewing on a clove bud can also help relieve sore throats and open up breathing passages naturally. How to use cloves in your diet. So, how do you actually incorporate cloves into your meals? Luckily, cloves come in both whole and ground form, making them versatile. Clove tea. Grind a tablespoon of whole cloves. Steep in boiling water for 3-4 minutes. Strain and enjoy a spicy, warming tea. Cooking. Add ground cloves to pumpkin pie, chai lattes, or spice rubs for meat. Pickling and curries. Whole cloves are perfect in pickling mixes or as an essential ingredient in curries. Mulled wine. A sprinkle of cloves makes this winter drink even more comforting. Tips for buying and storing cloves. When buying cloves, choose whole buds instead of ground powder. Powder loses flavor quickly, while whole cloves stay fresh longer. Test freshness by pressing a clove with your fingernail. If it releases oil, it's fresh. You can also place it in water. Good quality cloves float vertically, while stale ones sink or float sideways. Store cloves in a tightly sealed glass container in a cool, dark, and dry place. Ground cloves last about 6 months, while whole cloves can stay fresh for up to a year. Refrigerating them can further extend their shelf life. Final thoughts. From fighting inflammation to protecting your liver, regulating blood sugar, and even boosting hair and dental health, cloves prove that sometimes the smallest spices have the biggest benefits. So, the next time you open your spice rack, don't overlook this little bud. Whether in your tea, your curry, or even your dental care routine, cloves can make a real difference in your health. Do you already use cloves regularly? Maybe in cooking or as a home remedy for toothache? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss more health insights here on Health For You.